ScienceOpen Preprints is an open community resource. Preprints have increasingly become an essential part of open science approaches because they combine early and open sharing of research results with open access and open peer review. If you have posted your manuscript as a preprint on ScienceOpen Preprints, it is now available for community discussion and open peer review. Authors, editors, and community members can all invite reviewers. To invite a reviewer, click on the Review button and choose Invite to Review. This opens a review interface with the article title at the top of the page. You can search for registered users or similar articles on ScienceOpen, or just invite reviewers by email. Once your preprint has been reviewed, you can respond to the comments and submit a new revision. If you would like to publish your article in the journal ScienceOpen Research or other partnering journals, just click on the one-click submission button. From this page you can check the requirements of the journal. Be sure to follow the instructions for authors in preparing your manuscript, read the author agreement and other journal policies, for example the data policy and ethical requirements. You will be required to affirm your intent to publish in the journal and agree to the journal's terms and conditions. The journal ScienceOpen Research requires that you submit 2 peer reviews with your manuscript or pay for an editorial peer review service. After you click Submit, you can add a note to the editor with any other additional information that might be relevant. And now you are done. You will receive an automatic notification that your manuscript is being processed and the editorial team will begin the review process. We wish you good success in getting your work published.